Mastering English Phrases. Understanding, don't know a from Z. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a quirky yet common English expression, don't know I from Z. If you've ever stumbled upon this phrase and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's unravel its meaning together and see how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, don't know a from Z, is a playful way to say that someone has very little knowledge about a subject or is unable to distinguish between two things that are fundamentally different. It's derived from the idea that A and Z are the first and last letters of the English alphabet, respectively. So, not knowing a from Z implies a lack of even the most basic understanding of a topic. Interestingly, the more common version of this expression is, don't know a from B, or sometimes, can't tell a from B. These variations all serve the same purpose, to highlight a profound lack of knowledge or awareness about something. The choice of letters, whether A and Z or A and B, is less about the specific letters and more about the concept of not being able to grasp even simple distinctions. Incorporating don't know a from Z into your conversations can add a playful yet expressive nuance. It's often used in a humorous or slightly exaggerated manner. For example, if someone is completely new to cooking, you might say, he doesn't know a from Z about cooking. It's a light-hearted way of saying someone is a beginner or lacks expertise in a certain area. Tips for usage. Use it to describe a lack of knowledge in a broad sense. Keep the context informal. This expression is best suited for casual conversations. Pair it with a smile or a laugh to ensure it's taken in the friendly spirit it's intended. To help you better understand how to use don't know a from Z, here are a few examples. I tried to fix my car on my own, but I quickly realized I don't know a from Z about mechanics. She's interested in learning Italian, but right now, she doesn't know a from Z about it. We thought we could manage our own taxes, but we don't know a from Z about accounting. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, don't know a from Z. We hope this video has shed some light on this charming expression and how you can use it to add flavor to your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the subtle nuances that make it rich and vibrant. Keep practicing. And don't hesitate to use don't know a from Z when the situation calls for it. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.